Okay. Alrighty. They say just press record, so that's what I'm gonna do. I am, well, let me just start off by saying my name is Haida, and me and my partner Dan have this vlog channel called Magical Snippets, and it's just snippets of our life, whether it's just running errands, like is what I'm doing today, or it's from our vacations, or just going out to eat. We have a lot of things planned for the channel, so just come along and join us. So today, I have 3 specific things that I'm doing today. First of all, I'm gonna go get my hair cut. I haven't had my hair cut in so long. It's been forever. So of course there was quarantine. Like, I think I only got my hair cut 1 time in the past year. It is currently, what is the date today? It's like July 9th? Yeah, it's July 9th, 2021. So everything's kind of starting to open up again, and I'm fully vaccinated, feel comfortable going out, although, shoot, I might need a mask for the place. Well, I'll figure that out. So anyways, I am getting my hair cut. I'm going to Bishop's on Hawthorne. So you can see my hair is just in a big mop top all the time. I always have it pulled up because it's just so gross right now. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the post office. I've been reading a lot in the last year, and I have all these books that I'm done with, and I recently, just yesterday actually, put on Facebook Marketplace a whole bunch of these books that I don't need anymore. And so immediately I was really surprised that 2 of them sold within like 10 minutes yesterday. So I gotta go to the post office and figure out how I mail those out. It's USPS Media Mail, and I don't really know exactly what that means, so I'm gonna find out. And then after that, I need to get my car washed. My car is a hot mess, so I'm gonna take it to a place where they'll wash it and they'll vacuum it out and get it all nice and clean, and I'll be feeling good about that. So join me, I'm on my way to Bishop's. Not sure I even mentioned this, but we live in Portland, Oregon. So, you know, Pacific Northwest, love it here. So much to do, beautiful. Yeah, so I'm headed down to Hawthorne, which is a really trendy little place where there's lots of restaurants and shops and bookstores, and that's where Bishop's is. There's actually several locations around town, but that's the one that had an appointment available today at noon. So here we go. Okay, wow, that was quite the experience there. Hawthorne, I did not know, was having all kinds of construction, so now I'm running late. Hopefully that's okay. So I'm walking up to Bishop's, and I've gone to Bishop's for years. I've never really had like a person that's ever been my like hair stylist. Comment down below if that's something you do, and if you enjoy it, or if you're like me and you just go to a different person every time. I just don't really care. I just need a haircut. And so Bishop's is a local place. I think it's local here in Portland, and it's kind of cool. They usually offer you a beer when you go in there for free, which is cool. See if they do that today, but regardless, we're almost there. It's an example of the road construction that I came across. Some of the shops they have here. Cup and Saucer's a really good cafe, and we're going right up. It's right next door to the Baghdad Theater and the McMenamins up here. Just got done with my haircut. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to have all of that. He cut off about, oh, I don't know, like 6 inches. So it feels super healthy now. and it feels great. So super excited to get that done. Yeah, it was so weird. I was sitting there and I was thinking to myself, this is the first time I have been inside of a place with no mask on in over a year. So that was weird. It's weird how we got so used to it, but here in Oregon, I'm pretty sure we required masks starting in April of 2020, and it's now July of 2021, and finally we don't have to wear masks. So that was amazing. It felt really weird, but it also felt really good, and it just makes me feel like things are getting back to somewhat normal, even though we still need to be cautious. And anyways, being fully vaccinated, I felt totally comfortable not wearing my mask in there. So anyway, I am gonna move on to the post office, I think, is my next thing, to mail these books off to the people who bought them through Facebook Marketplace from me. So I'm gonna find the closest post office. All right, so yeah, so my errands are finally done. I'm about to go home, and I went to the post office after my haircut and mailed those books away. So learned what the media mail system is, which it was really easy. But for whatever reason, I can't have them do a pickup at my house. So I will have to go to the post office every time I sell something, but that's okay. Learned that today. And then after that, I went to get my car washed, and oh my gosh, my car looks so nice. Let me see if I can show you guys. I mean, it was just really gross and dirty in here. Like, the floor mats are all totally clean. There was just stuff everywhere, but everything looks really clean. It's shiny on the outside, shiny on the inside, and looks so good. It feels good to have it all cleaned up. So anyway, and I just made a stop at Walgreens real quick. I actually picked up some hair dye that I might try and do myself. I haven't done that in years and years and years. I used to do it all the time, but I might give it a try. So if you want to see that, you might have to watch our next video to see the results. But going home now, maybe, oh, I know what's happening today that I'll show you guys. I'm getting my Book of the Month box today in the mail, and I just get really excited and geek out over books. Like I said, have been reading a lot lately. I've been reading about one book per week for a while now, and love the Book of the Month. So I will show you unboxing that probably in this video as well. So I'll see you at home. All right, I am home, and my Book of the Month box just arrived. I'm so excited to show you guys. Every month I get a Book of the Month. I subscribed a while ago, and it's just super exciting when the boxes actually come. So I'm going to show you what the box looks like, the books I got for this month, and you know, if you're interested in signing up, you can look up Book of the Month Club. If you're interested in subscribing to the Book of the Month Club, I have included a link down below in the description box where you can sign up. Super easy. They're always running a special usually for first-time sign-ups, so check it out. Okay, this is what the box looks like. Oh, that's upside down. So, Book of the Month. And so basically every month you are sent 5 books that you can choose from, that you have to choose as your Book of the Month. And then on top of that, you can add on a couple of, up to 2 books. And so I have been getting the Book of the Month plus 2 add-ons every month for a while now. So I do have 3, there are 3 books inside this box, and I'm gonna open it up. Okay, let's see here. If I can figure this out. All right. Oh, there we go. And oh my gosh, I totally forgot that I was getting these socks in this one too. I forget. And then, Oh, here we go. You never got cold feet, and now you never will. Congrats on completing the 2021 reading challenge. Okay. All right, well that's that. All right, so let's get into these books. So like I said, I got 3 of them. So this first one, 56 Days. Then I got, this one's been on my to-read list for quite a while. The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue by V.E. Schwab. Very excited about that. And then the third one I got is Survive the Night by Riley Sager. Awesome. So super excited. Oh, and they always, in the boxes, they always give you a bookmark too. The original read receipt, book of the month. Cool, so exciting. Anybody else out there love to read? All right. Okay, well that is gonna do it for me today. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to see more from Magical Snippets, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up. We're gonna start doing this more and more, so we have different focuses on the channel from, like I mentioned earlier, we love to travel to Disney parks, so we do have a lot of Disney content on our channel, but we also wanted to do some daily vlogs too of what we're doing in our daily lives. Portland is such a cool area. It's known for, you know, their great breweries and restaurants and hiking and mountains and the coast and all of those things, and camping. We wanted to show you some of that as well. So please subscribe to our channel if you're interested, and leave us a comment or question down below, and see you next time. Thanks.